Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Tire Pressure Monitoring System, or TPMS sensors. These specific TPMS sensors are for a wide range of GM vehicles, ranging from Buick Enclaves to Cadillac Escalades, GMC trucks such as the 1500, 2500, and 3500 pickup truck, various Pontiac cars such as the G6, G8, and Saturn Sky, plus so many more. Depending on which vehicle your GM is, years do range from 2006 to 2019. So please check the full list below or contact us to make sure if this fits your vehicle. What your TPMS sensors do is they constantly monitor air pressure in each of your tires and wirelessly communicate with your onboard computer. Not only will your heads-up display show real-time pressure in each tire, should one tire be low, a warning lamp would illuminate. However, if you're experiencing that warning light and you've confirmed that the pressure is still good in your tire, or in some cases, an additional warning of a lost signal from a specific tire has come on, you may need to replace an existing TPMS sensor. While these TPMS sensors are not genuine OEM parts, they have been designed to be a direct OEM replacement, as they have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish. However, this sensor does have a redesigned chip for extended life and includes all brand new valve stem caps. Installation of a TPMS sensor is relatively simple, but it does require the tire to be dismounted from the wheel, which is why it is recommended to have a professional at a tire shop handle this replacement. Additionally, depending on the vehicle, the resyncing of these sensors to your vehicle's computer can be complicated. If you have any questions about these TPMS sensors, such as if it fits your GM vehicle, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.